This video is of my solutions to Paul's Raspberry Pi lessons 31 and 32 using a keypad. I've had to use my Pico for it because I think I may have murdered my Pi 4, which is a bit upsetting. But I just wanted to get it done before he releases his solution. Right, there's the keypad in the video. And it's all very simple. The only difference really between using a Pico and a Raspberry Pi is just the pins. So you go self.row pin equals that, which is instead of the GPIO setup things. And then it's all very self-explanatory. Well, I've used a class of keyboard just to try and see if I could. And the main programming, you set up the class with the keys as they appear on the keypad, and there you have it. So we will run it and see what happens. Right, we will press A. It says I've pressed A. B. I will hold it down for ages. B. C. 3. Can double it, 3, 5, hold it down for ages, 4, all very boring, Control C. Right, my next program, I just wanted to do something a bit different. I thought 16 keys, that looks pretty much like hexadecimal. So what I've done is I'm just replacing the hash and the star key on the keyboard. I mean, this, no one would tell that this isn't a kosher keyboard, would they? That looks really, really, really impressive. Right, so just run this program and it would do the same thing. And you press 1, decimal value of hex 1 is 1. 3, hold down 3, it only does it once, 6, 5, 8, 10, B, C, D, E, F, da-da, 4, right, Control C, out. My third version is, I can't find where I put the, it's somewhere. Aha, right. Once again, I've replaced the keyboard, some of the keyboard, well, all of the keyboard, and this is a program that allows you to choose colours by using keyboard. So I have drawn a stupid key map of the various colours, and the code is exactly the same apart from the keys. Instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, I've put the hex values for white, red, blue, green, yellow, etc, etc, and black at the end, and really it does nothing more interesting than that. So we will run the program. If I press that key, that's white. If that's red, green ought to be OOFFOO, we'll see. Yep. Blue ought to be, yep. Black didn't want to do it, black, naught. Then you can have yellow, pink, whatever. Now I was originally intending for this video to link it up to an RGB LED to show that it actually is producing the colours that it does. But because I'm having to do it in a darkened room and things, I couldn't be bothered. But anyway, it returns the colours as you, codes of the colours as you might want it. Right, final program. Phew, you will say. Right, I'll take off my stupid stickers. This is the homework solution to lesson number 32, when it allows you to input a string and terminate the input with D. But I'm using class again and set it all up like that. Read it. I've defined several methods, functions, as in you can just get a single character, and you can get a single digit, or you can get an integer, or you can get a string. Now, I forgot to mention, my programs actually allow, it checks to see if you're pressing more than one key at a time, and if you do, it just ignores the input. So we will run this program. Right, it says waiting for a single character. So if you go B, yep, you entered character B, which is lucky. Waiting for a single digit, we will put hash. Nope. D. Nope. 5. Hurrah! Now waiting for an integer followed by D, press C to correct. So you can press A. The display here is just for debugging purposes. It's just to see what's going on. So right, you press 3, which is okay. Right, C. C cancels the last one entered. So A wasn't a digit, 3 was a digit, so the string array was 3, and you press C, and there's nothing there. I should have explained that first with the longer digit. Right, we will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go, I didn't want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Oh, I didn't want that last 4. So you press C, and there you can see it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. You press C, and it cancels the last digit, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You can cancel it again. 1, 2, 3, cancel again, cancel again, cancel again. Right, you haven't got anything in the string. Cancel it again, and it doesn't fall over. Now you can press D to say, right, I've finished. Doesn't do anything because you haven't entered a string. So you can go 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, which is not my phone number. Press D. You entered integer 4, 5, 8, 2, 3. Right. Then this is waiting for a string. So again, you can press 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, but this time you can go A hash star B, B, and you go, oh, I didn't want B. Press C, and it shows you all the ones you entered, and then it's deleted the last one, and then you can press D, and that's what you entered. There you have it. That's all.